Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about alerts using our BugBug testing tool. Okay, and here we are going to see this particular website. Okay, and we have already seen for like introduction and how we can able to create our first test case and all we have discussed in the last videos. Okay, now in this particular video, how you can able to validate for alerts. Okay. Now I'm going to even see alerts. If here it is there, you can think about we can use it here. No, but no. Actually, this alert is basically to generate for email. Okay, whenever your schedules happen, if you are scheduling anything, okay, default it will be hit and it will generate report and it will send to your email ID. That alert, if you on, automatically will get from your email. Okay, we are discussing normal alerts. Okay, web alerts. I'm creating a new one. Okay, alerts, and here I'm providing for URL. Oh, sorry, this is double click and all. This one. Hmm. Sorry. We know already alerts how it will be there and how we can able to do, right? Alerts are basically JavaScript alerts. It will ask you to do for some confirmation purpose. Sometimes we can able to get only for OK button to accept. Sometimes we can able to get for OK and cancel also. And sometimes we need to provide some text into the alert. Okay, anything it will be based upon that. Okay, in that particular situation, how you can able to validate. Here you have to remember one thing. We cannot able to verify when we are getting in the alert. There is a message will be there, right? Now I'm clicking here. There is like I am a JS alert is there, right? If you want to verify this one, we don't have method for free version, okay? But paid version it is there. In case if that particular method, if it is not work, if you raise a concern to the support team, they can able to create one method and they can provide for you particularly. And also they can able to create some JavaScript to verify those sections also. Okay. No need to bother about that. That presented in a paid version. Free version it is not there, but we can do for by clicking OK button. Okay, it will record. And then if you want to verify, now I want to verify for assert. What you want to verify? Assert is successful. Okay. Now first one is I completed. And second one I'm going to do for okay. Then I'm going to do for assert this one. Again I'm doing this one and canceling purpose. Again I'll do for assertion cancel. Now again I'm doing here and I'll provide for location. Okay. And clicking for okay. And then again I'm doing for assert. Okay. These are the predefined we can able to done. Okay. Now before closing, we can go ahead and see that whether it is captured all or not. Okay. Now we are already provided the URL and then it is click for JS alert and clicked OK. Prompt is clicked. Okay. And we made it for assertion to the text to be visible these particular things. Okay. And second JS confirmation clicked OK and clicked OK assertion. Again one more time and cancel and you clicked on cancel. And third prompt, the answer of the prompt is location. See here typed, but it is not able to verify the text. But we are able to provide the name of this. Okay. And then it is verified for the text. Okay. This is the one. Okay. Now we are going to finish and close. Okay. Whether it is done perfectly assertion or not, we need to run and see. Now again I'm running this particular script. You can see, even you can see here, they are mentioned. Clicked. Even see mouse action also it is doing. Okay. See down also entered. Okay. Perfect, right? It's the easiest way. Okay. No need to bother about that whether we can able to facing the problem. Code also not required. Automatically it will do all the things. Okay. If you need something assertion need to write for JavaScript by using that, you can ask to that support team. They can able to do for that particular sections. Okay. Like this you can able to do for alerts. Next time we can able to do for mouse actions also. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.